Hi, today I'm going to be demonstrating using the Pure Storage plugin for the vSphere client and authenticating with the Pure1 REST API and registering your FlashArrays. The first step is to go to the Pure Storage home screen under the top drop-down menu and clicking Pure Storage. From here, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Authenticate with Pure1. This will open up a dialog box where you can paste in your JSON web token, which is the authentication token for the Pure1 REST API. To find more examples of creating this token, you can click on the REST documentation there. For here, we're going to use the PowerShell Pure1 module to generate this JWT. The first step is to create a new certificate using new Pure1 certificate. You can also use a pre-existing one. Then we need to extract the public key from this particular certificate. Using the Pure1 commandlet, get Pure1 public key, you can pull out the public key from that certificate. Copy the entire key with begin and end and the dashes and log into pure1.purestorage.com as an administrator. Click on API registration. If you don't see that, you are not an admin in your Pure1 org. Click on register application, give it a friendly name, and then paste in your public key. You can choose a role of either read-only or admin. Read-only is perfectly fine for the vSphere plugin, as today it does not create any administrative tasks. Now, find that listing for that application and copy in your application ID, Pure1 : API key : a key. Copy the entire thing. Now go back to the PowerShell commandlet, and we want to create a JSON web token for authentication using that application ID and that original certificate. This will take the private key within that certificate and sign some information and create what's called a JSON web token with that application ID. Run that and copy the entire token and go back to the vSphere client. Paste that into the dialog box and click Authenticate. This will connect you with Pure1. You can see the upper right-hand corner shows that. Now to add your FlashArrays. You can certainly add FlashArrays one by one, but with the connection with Pure1, you can automatically add all of the arrays in your Pure1 organization to your vSphere client. This process will make sure they're online. You can see one of them is currently not accessible, at least from that vCenter. It'll do an NS lookup on all of their FQDNs and use that if it can find it. If not, it'll use their IP. And you can also use the same credentials for all arrays or specify different ones. This is very similar to the add host wizard for a cluster. Choose the FlashArrays you would like to add to the vSphere client. You can always go back and add more and click Add. This will show you the ones that were successful and any that had errors, bad credentials, or something's changed. Click Done when you're completed. This will show all of your now registered arrays within the vSphere client. It will also pull any tags that someone has created for those arrays within Pure1, and you can see that on the right. And you can also click on the underlying tabs to see not only the Pure1 tags, but the busy meter for that particular array. This has been a demonstration of authenticating the vSphere plugin with Pure Storage. Thank you.